I'm here today with Sanjay Mantry from Vision Scotland. You're the medical director and co-founder and our latest Centre of Excellence, and in fact the first Centre of Excellence in the UK. So I'm absolutely delighted to be here with you today to announce that prestigious award from our perspective. Now, I know what Rayner gets from our Centre of Excellence partners, but tell me, Sanjay, what do you get from it?
It's a combination of things, Tim. I think as a small company and owner of Vision Scotland, I do feel we've always trusted in our partners. And over the years, we have developed a relationship and trust with Rayner. And the examples which would stand out is our projects around Rayner EMV, later on with Galaxy, and very recently, the iJourney, all of which are a big part of Vision Scotland now. And so when the discussion came around the Sophie Faker technology, where you had a Swiss-made company which made Sophie, and it was endorsed by Rayner, I don't think we had any hesitation.
That's great.
So for me, also being a first Centre of Excellence, I think the most important thing we feel is you are always connecting with global experts and the word and your experience worldwide, which actually sits in very well with our ethos of Vision Scotland, which is innovation and teaching. So it really felt like a no-brainer for us.
Fantastic. And you can see that as you walk around the clinic, the quality and some of the equipment and the services that you offer are really second to none.